Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to install MAMP on your Mac. First, open up a web browser and go to mamp.info. And it should detect what language and the type of computer, being on a Mac. We're going to click free download. And I'm going to download the latest 5.7 on my MacBook Pro. After your download is complete, you can click directly on the download to open it. And continue through your steps. It's going to tell you where this is being installed under Applications, MAMP, and htdocs is where your web files will live. You'll type in your computer password. You can choose whether or not to remove the install package. We shouldn't need it anymore, so I'm going to move it to the trash. So here's our new MAMP install and the icon. This is our localhost start page for MAMP. If you go to Tools and PHPMyAdmin, it'll take you to where you can manage your databases. If you scroll down on the startup page, it will give you your host and all the information you need for creating your new MySQL databases. You'll see that the localhost directory or URL index is located here. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.